20 Democratic state attorneys general are suing the Trump administration over its federal health cuts and restructuring of the Health and Human Services Department. Julie, always good to see you. Lay out for us this restructuring and what these attorneys general are arguing.
They've cut almost a quarter of the workforce at the Department of Health and Human Services, and they've canceled billions of dollars in grants and contracts and things that are not supposed to be stopped except for cause. And there was no cause. Some of them, they said it was, because they were funding DEI projects, which in some cases was true, in some cases it wasn't. And these attorneys generals are saying that it's hurting their states. It's hurting the services. We're seeing clinics start to close and programs start to close down. And don't confuse this with the president's budget that came up last week, which was a request to Congress to cut these programs. They've unilaterally cut all of these programs, which every court that's looked at it has basically said is illegal.
And Julie, from hosting your podcast, what are you finding is maybe the number one or number two questions that you're getting from the public on what they want to know regarding cuts to this department?
I think people really want to know sort of what's going to happen next, and whether all of these cuts are going to start impacting how people actually get medical care. And, we haven't seen a lot of it yet, but that's because it's still pretty early, and we're waiting for sort of the other shoe to drop.